Hello, my name is Rosie and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be seeing how much I saved in the month of January. So let's take out our sheet of paper. This tracker will be up on my Etsy and my coffee. Let's get a pen and a highlighter. Okay, so let's go into our savings binder. Let's see how much we saved. Okay, so 26 savings, $1 savings, Winter Wonderland, and then Cozy Winter. Okay, so 2026 savings, we saved 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46. This is going to stay in here and not be reallocated into other envelopes because it is a yearly savings challenge, so I want to keep all the money in here till the end of the year. Okay, $1 savings, we saved 5, 6, 7, and this will be going into different envelopes. Okay, Winter Wonderland. I'm going to take out the savings challenge trackers because I am going to change them into my February savings challenges in my next video. Okay, so Winter Wonderland, I saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cozy Winter. Cozy Winter, I saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's calculate how much we saved this month. So 46 plus 7 plus 10 plus 10 equals 73. Let's see how much of that was from leftovers. So 0, oh, don't know if you can see this. Okay, 0 and then 8 plus 10 plus 6. So $27 of that, $24 of that was from just leftover money from my wallet. So I am going to reallocate some of this savings, like the $1 savings, Winter Wonderland, and Cozy Winter. So 27 of that is going into different categories. One is going to be Elizabeth. She is going to get $10. Then the other one is going to be Car. That's getting $10. And the last 7, I'm gonna put that in maternity. Okay. So let's get our binder. Let's put this money in. Okay. Plus 10 equals 277. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Okay. Okay, maternity leave, I said I was going to put 7 in here. So now it has 67. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now it has 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Okay, now the last $10 is going into Car. So that is going to get $10 as well. So it's going to be 260. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Car has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay. Oh. That's crazy how we were able to save $73 this month, and 24 of that was just from leftovers. So if we saved 73 in savings challenges this month, and 24 of that just came from leftovers, $49 was budgeted. Okay, and that's going to be it for today. I will see you guys next time in my February budget binder setup. Bye.